Back in '43, I was hungry as could be. No sardine sandwich, brown bags weren't for me. In 7th grade I ruled, the marble champ, that's right. Ground rocks in Spanish class kept my dreams in sight. With a sandstone slab I'd shape them smooth and round. Sold them for a dime, best deal in the town. Marble dimes and pie, oh I was living high. Fritos and a Coke, watch a young boy fly. Whittling toys in class, I built my own small throne. A kid with a plan, making it on my own. Miss Ford would talk her Spanish, thinking I was there, but I'd grind between my knees with a sly, secret stare. She'd squint, suspicious, cause I looked too intent. Didn't know my marbles paid for lunch well spent. A dime got me Fritos, Coke, and change to spare. I was grand marble champ, girls knew it everywhere. Marble dimes and pie, oh I was living high. Fritos and a Coke, watch a young boy fly. From rocks to yo-yos, I carved my own way, learning life's sweet hustle in the schoolyard's play. Dreams soon, whittle tops and yo-yos, wooden toys in class, sold for quarters, don't you know? 2 bags of Fritos, ice cream, and a drink. Left a nickel over, man, I'd hit the brink. Capitalism sang, I learned what money brings. Dad might have smiled, proud of my scheming things. Cold morning walks to school, past the pie factory door. Pineapple scent pulled me like a siren's lure. A gray-haired lady cooked, her heart as warm as flame. Saw me broke and grinned, broke 2 pies all the same. For a nickel, 2 broke pies, she'd slip them in my hand. Grandmotherly eyes, she helped me understand. No coin in my pocket, but she never did care. Her kindness fed my soul, left love lingering there. If I knew her grave, I'd sneak out in the night, slide a nickel neath her stones, say thanks for doing right. Board, marble, dimes, and pie, oh I was living high. Fritos and a Coke, watch a young boy fly. From a pie lady's grace to the toys I'd create, I found my own worth, for I knew my own fate. Now I'm old, but I feel that kid spark in my core. Marbles, pies, and dreams, they're what life was for. Spanish class taught nothing, but the world showed me how. I'm still chasing thrills with a smile even now.